Hey guys, today we have for you the Nokia Smart TV. We're going to unbox the TV and give you a quick look at it. In the box, apart from the TV, you get the tabletop stand, wall mount, power cord, manual and remote control. The first thing you will notice is that the speakers on the Nokia Smart TV are powered by JBL with 24 watts of sound output. The TV also supports Dolby Audio and DTS True Surround, which means that if the content you are playing on the TV has Dolby Audio, the same will be reproduced through the TV. The TV runs on Android TV 9 out of the box. With Android TV, you get access to the Google Play Store along with access to streaming services like Netflix, Hotstar, Prime Videos, Z5 and more. The TV has a 55-inch panel and unique-looking metal stand. The stand not only gives the TV a premium look, but distinguishes it from the plethora of TVs that come with two separate feet. The stand sits at the center of the TV, ensuring it fits when placed on a compact entertainment center. Coming to the panel, the Nokia Smart TV has a 10-bit ADS panel with 400 nits of brightness. In case you are wondering, ADS stands for Advanced Plane-to-Line Switching. An ADS panel is quite similar to an IPS panel and it gives you wide viewing angles and also wide color reproduction. The TV also supports wide color gamut. With wide color gamut, the TV uses more than 85% of the available 1 billion colors. The TV covers 85 to 90% of the 10-bit color space. It also supports Dolby Vision, which is Dolby's object-based HDR rendering. There is a lot of Dolby Vision content available via streaming services, so having the feature is a boon for the TV. The TV also boasts of intelligent dimming. Put simply, intelligent dimming understands the picture on the screen and optimizes the content to enhance the image. The bezel surrounding the TV is very slim. Coming to the specifications, the Nokia Smart TV runs on a quad-core processor coupled with 2.25 GB RAM and 16 GB storage. It also boasts of MEMC technology, which claims to enhance the picture quality. All the connectivity options of the Nokia Smart TV are at the back on the right side. At the back we have the AV port, Ethernet port, two HDMI ports, optical port, a service port and good old antenna. In a cavity on the side, we have one HDMI port along with two USB ports. Lastly, we have the remote control. The remote control has a traditional design with the number pad on top. We also get dedicated buttons for home, menu, exit and back button along with directional buttons. The remote control also has dedicated buttons for Netflix, YouTube and the Google Play Store. It also has a Google Assistant button and dedicated playback controls. So there you have it guys, that was an unboxing and quick look at the Nokia Smart TV.